Hello everybody, this is Jonathan, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do an if-else statement. So basically an if-else statement allows you to basically, instead of having one value that's going to be true, we can have multiple of them true, but we'll display a different result. So for example, if I do select name and salary, these two are the only data I want. Now I can type down case, so these are going to be like some commands. So for example, if salary is bigger than 1000, then say the salary is very high. When salary, so if that one is not true, then it'll go down, and it'll say when salary is bigger than or equal to 5000, then say high. If that's not true, if neither of these two are true, then say else low. And you guys can have as many when salary commands as you really want. So this is to show guys what an if else statement is. Allows you to execute more than two commands. So for example, we can print out if something like if it's larger than 1000 then print the high, if it's larger than 5000 then print it high, and if it's larger than 500 for example, then print out is low, and if it's lower than that, so we can do else, then we can say low. So yeah, this is basically just to show guys that we'll be able to say that if this is true, then we touch up this result. If that's not true, then check this one. If that one is not true, then check another one, and so on and so on and so on until we reach our last one, which should be else low. An if statement only does it 2 times, either true or false, whereas this one can have as many truths as it truly wants until we reach the last part of it. So for example, if I do select star, because I want to get all of the data. Now add in a comma, and now we'll be able to do case. And now what we can do is when the I want to see the table, when the overall price, as you guys can see, when case is overall price is larger or equal to let's look at the data. Okay, if it is equal to larger or equal to 300, then what we want to do, then we want to say something like high, very high, so because it's very high in cost, so you can say very high. Let me do another one. So if I do when overall price is lower, or actually larger than 200, then let's say that the results will be high. If it's if when overall price is bigger than or equal to 100, then print out as being low. And if that is not true, then we want to do the else statement, and we can put down low, and we can change this one to being very low. And now we can end this column as overall price level. And now from here we can select from what database it will come from. So it comes from the database called product, isn't it? Yeah, products. So from products, as you guys can see. Now if we click onto the run button, it should now execute it, as you guys can see. So for example, if it's £41, it will print out as very low. If it's £73, then it should print out as very low. If it's £73.29, it should print out as very low. This one is low, this one is also low, and this one is high. Yes, it should be high, because you said for very high, it's going to be if it's large or equal to 300, and this one is in 200 area. So that one should print out as high. So yes, with this one, as my conclusion, is that we can have as many if statements as we truly want. with an if-else statement. So for example, if the overall price is larger than or equal to 300, then print out as very high. If that's not true, then it's going to say when overall price is bigger or equal to 200, then print as high. If overall price is larger than or equal to 100, then print as low. Else print out as very low. And then over there we have to call for column. So we can call it whatever we want. It could be random level, or it could be overall price level. And we have to say which table we want to get the data from. And from here we'll be able to include it in the database, as you guys can see. If you guys like this video, please put a like and please subscribe, and I see you guys next time. Bye bye.